Hey folks, and welcome to week number 14. So this week looks really short, but it is the most complicated week of the semester, okay? So the real basics here of what you need to do, so we've got really two pieces, the research check-in and then revision, okay? Um, the research check-in, there's a template. It's somewhat different from last week's, but I just want you to check in. This is the last time I'm going to actively engage with you on your research process, okay? So if you've got more questions after this, you're concerned that you don't have enough answers, these sorts of things, this is your time to make me aware of that so I can give you as much feedback as possible. And if you've got questions beyond that, what I can respond with in the template, hit me up via email or give me a call or whatnot, and we'll work on it. We can also don't hesitate to contact Professor Condon. His contact info is back in Unit 3, our librarian attached to the course. Okay. Right here, this link, submit your research questionnaire. The library is doing a little assessment project. They're just trying to keep track of students' research questions for their long research essay. So just your central research question, all it is, it's a very quick survey. All you have to do is type in your central research question. That is all they need. Okay. Then, next week, you'll be able to submit a revision of essay 1, 2, or 3. That's in week 15. Okay. So this week, I would like you to undertake a revision activity. It's called a revision conversation. And, it's pretty simple. So one of the biggest problems comes revision. It's knowing whether or not you're making the right change. So what I actually want you to do is to start by choosing essay 1, 2, or 3 to revise. You can figure out what you want to do there. And then actually I want you to make a detailed, specific response to the criticism I've left in your essay. So anywhere I've left comments, I want you to respond to it. Your goal is to carry on a conversation, giving and writing a response to my criticism. Then number all of your paragraphs. Put this on a Word doc or on another sheet of paper. And then, so if I noted that the paragraph doesn't support the thesis, you might write a short paragraph explaining how you see, number all the comments. If I note something like it doesn't support the thesis, I want you to respond and say, this is how I would fix it, or no, I think it needs to be this way, and here's why. Okay, so just go through the explanation here and then submit it to the Dropbox. Okay, I'll try to give you guys feedback on those prior to it being your revision being due during week 15. So the earlier you can submit that revision activity, the earlier I can respond to it and give you some feedback. Okay. Like I said, this week is really all about the research for Essay 2. Be very thorough on the essay check-in 2 template. I really want you to, as much as possible, give me as much detail there so I can help you as much as possible. And if you need more help, please reach out, okay? Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.